alignment, lining up the medialis. Okay, and she's got a left short leg. So the next thing I'm going to do is do the arm facet test. Your arm up. I'm going to check the upper pole of inguinal. I'll be touching this area. Is that okay? Just along the inguinal ligament. Test here. Test here. Okay, so the lower pole is weak on that one. I come to the other side. Test upper pole, lower pole. Okay, so the lower pole is weak on her right side. Next thing I'm going to do is put my hand on her occiput and my other hand on her frontal bone. And, oh wait, let me check inhalation or exhalation. Okay, go ahead and inhale for me and exhale. Okay, let me block her. So, on the short leg, we're going to block 90 to the spine. And the long leg will be up on the trochanter. Okay. Now, if I can have your arm back up. Okay. Inhale for me. Okay. Exhale. Okay. So it's weak on exhalation. So that means that I will have her relax everything on exhalation for this. So what I want you to do is when you inhale, put the tongue on the roof of your mouth and dorsiflex your feet towards me. And then on exhale, you're going to let go of the tongue and your feet. Okay, and I'll also be pulling superiorly with my hand contacts on exhalation. So inhale and exhale. Okay, and inhale and exhale. Okay, and I would retest all the parameters to make sure that I've corrected it properly. I'm going to go ahead and pull the blocks. Okay. Thank you. Okay, and post-block augmentation. We're going to take her leg here, hand under the knee, hand under the ankle. I'm going to move it out to lateral, back down, and up and to lateral. We're seeing if there's any better, worse, or the same pain with this move. Okay, and